Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. In the previous video we spoke about running server core versus the GUI version. We chatted about the surface attack on the GUI compared to core, and obviously the number of Windows updates, and there are more benefits, etc. But I highlighted the two main things because you know that with the amount of updates, and especially if there's zero-day exploits and every OS that's running a GUI has to be patched, it's a lot for organizations. And then we ended off the video talking about Sconfig. So in this video we're going to show you how to use Sconfig. So I was busy typing it. To start Sconfig, you type Sconfig.cmd. Now what this does, it basically gives you a command line interface, if you want to call it, to manage your server. So I'm not going to go through all the settings. I basically want to go have a look at my network settings. So what did I do there? So I selected number 8. So you see there. And it brought up a high level of my adapter with my IP address. Now, if I wanted to go into advanced adapter settings or more information, you type in the index, you can see is 1, and then it will show you pretty much everything on the NIC. And then you have the option now to set the network adapter address, set the DNS server, clear the DNS server, or return to the main menu. So if I wanted to change the IP, for example, I would choose one. You can select DHCP static. Now normally in a server environment you wouldn't have DHCP running on a server. So I could choose static 10.01.11, enter my gateway, class C, default gateway, I'm going to use the same as the above, press enter, and now it assigns a static IP to that NIC, because you see I already had an IP address, which means DHCP was handing it out. Now this machine is on Azure, so I've already got a domain controller running Server 2019. As you can see now, when you make changes to the network, it drops the connection on Azure, and then you have to reboot the machine for it to come back. So as you can see with Sconfig, it's actually very easy to configure a machine. If you're used to the GUI interface, right-clicking the network card properties or going to control panel, network and connection sharing, and go to your adapter and rename it and everything, it's a lot different here. There's just a few steps you got to do, which might take you a bit longer, but once you get into the process of it, it's actually very easy. And then once you've changed your DNS and you've rebooted, and then you can basically ping your domain controller, then you can join to the domain. And that's pretty much Sconfig. Thank you very much for watching.